Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your OnePlus N6. First, go into Settings. In Settings, go to Bluetooth and turn it on. Now turn it off and on again for a quick restart. If your device is already paired, then unpair it. Here I have my AirPods paired. Click the info icon and unpair. Now with my AirPods, just double tap the front case since these are AirPods 3 Pros. I'll double tap the case now. Click refresh. They appeared again, so click pair. As you can see, they're in use now and paired without issues. If you do have issues, restart the phone and the Bluetooth device. Press the power and volume up buttons and swipe up to restart. To restart the AirPods, close the case and wait for the green light to disappear. Now they're off and charging, so we can leave them. Wait for the phone to turn back on. I'll see you in a second. Once the phone restarts, enter the password and update your software. Go into Settings and scroll down to System Updates. Here we have System and Update. Press on Software Update. It checks for updates automatically. My version is up to date, but if yours isn't, I recommend updating. This is important to keep the latest software so you don't have old glitches on your device. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.